here with Humor Mill, and tonight we're in the green room at the Comedy Store. We have Owen Smith with us. Okay, so Owen, tell us, what have you been working on? I hear that you have a movie that you just wrapped. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I just...
Turn your phone off.
That's me? Oh, this is my podcast playing right now. My podcast.
And he has a podcast.
You get a shot of that? Elliot Smith and LaVoy. That's really why I'm here. I want everybody to tune in and subscribe to this. Dondre T. Whitfield he did 2 parts. We just did John Ridley. Dondre, who else? Tiffany Haddish. She cries like 5 times, but it's incredible. Debbie Allen, you name it. We're talking to Black Hollywood, people that you don't traditionally have longer conversations with, because we've been in the game for so long. We got all these great relationships with people. So Russell Simmons, his was incredible, very inspiring, very moving, and it's basically to just let artists know that you should get out your way. You can hear everybody's story and how they made it and how they did it, so young people like you get more inspiration and just continue to be fearless and just keep creating opportunities for yourself. And you don't wait for anybody to give you permission to be great. Like, that's pretty much the emphasis of my podcast. Me personally, I just finished starring in my first movie. It's called Bad Night. It's starring me. It's starring Matt Walsh. He's on Veep right now, and they got 2 YouTube stars, and they paired a lot of traditional stars like myself with them. Molly Ringwald is in it. It's a great movie. It comes out in July, and I got a couple of other things that I can't really talk about because of the nature of the business.
Give us something.
I will be shooting a pilot for NBC. It's called Cuckoo. I'm playing. It's me, Michael Chiklis from The Shield, and Cheryl Hines, and I'm playing opposite Chiklis. And we shoot it next week, and it's a British remake. Like Sanford and Son was a show called Steptoe and Son in Britain and NBC. I think I don't remember what network called Sanford and Son. They're doing that on NBC. Like they bought this show that's already over on the BBC and it's successful there, and we're doing putting our spin on it. And I'm the black guy in it. And it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be really dope.
And when does that come out?
Well, see, it's a pilot, so
you're shooting the
we're
pilot.
gonna shoot it, and the network has to test it, and we hope and pray that it makes this schedule. So this is like, a preliminary thing. Like some actors be like, don't talk about it, but why not? Why not? Yeah. So I'm doing that, but mainly that podcast and
podcast, the movie.
Yeah, podcast, movie, show. When I just got married. On my 8th month. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So
you guys are still doing it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Come on now. I just finished now. So anyway, it's fantastic. Life is great. Life is beautiful. It's good to see Frank again, man, and keep supporting this. Keep supporting Humor Mill.
Yes.
And Owen Smith. You can find me online at OwenSmithIsFunny.com. Real simple.
Okay, social media. If someone's
Owen Smith,
looking for
the
you,
number 4 real.
are you on Instagram,
I'm
Twitter?
on all of them. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook.
Give them your information.
Owen Smith, the number 4 real. Owen Smith for real. That's it. Real simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Erica Galloway. You're watching Humor Mill. This is Owen Smith.
There it is.
Thank you for watching.